Hey, I'm Rodney, and I love exploring the roads less traveled. In this video, I take the Geneva Creek Trail to the abandoned mining town of Geneva City. Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing Upper Geneva Creek. I've never done this trail before or been in this general area, so I'm looking forward to it. It looks like it's going to have some amazing views, and the trail isn't going to be too difficult, but I'm just still going to air down and disconnect the sway bars just for comfort and a little extra stability just in case. There's a good place to kind of set up and get ready here at the Duck Creek picnic ground. And it's a nice little area. I might have to come back here and check it out in the future. Let's check this trail out. Geneva Creek is 6.8 miles one way and is considered to be moderate. There aren't any obstacles, so as long as you have decent clearance, you won't have any problems on this trail. The relative ease of this trail, the hiking, and the incredible views from the valley make it extremely popular. I was here on a Saturday morning and I counted well over 30 designated campsites all along the trail, and every single one was taken. I'm not exaggerating when I say that Geneva Creek was extremely popular. There were cars all along the road. This is the Shelf Lake trailhead, and the parking lot was overflowing. All the crowds did make me curious, so I looked it up, and it does look like a beautiful hike. I'm adding it to my list. After the first 4 miles or so, the trail starts to become narrow, and there are fewer campsites and fewer people. At about the 4 3/4 mile mark, you'll cross a creek and there's a cool waterfall on the passenger side. It was a nice spot to take a break and check out the water. Coming up is the most difficult section of the trail in my opinion. The incline starts to increase, the road is narrow, and there's an exposed section. If there's another vehicle coming down the other direction, someone's going to have to back up quite a ways to get to a good area to pass. There are a few more campsites before getting to Geneva City, and they were pretty nice. They were flat with plenty of trees, and there's even a little pond. At first I couldn't tell if I was supposed to go to the right or to the left, so I went with my gut and went to the right, but quickly figured out my gut had no idea what it was talking about. There's a cabin on the passenger side of this creek crossing, and when you see that, you've made it to Geneva City. There are a few campsites on the driver's side just past the creek. The trail dead ends at this abandoned mine. I found a backcountry route to the popular town of Breckenridge, Colorado. Check out the video here.